Hi everyone, I hope you are enjoying your life. Let's try to create this presentation very fast, under 1 minute. Okay, let's start. At first we need to add a new slide. Creating this effect is really matter. For that we need to find and create the shape. For that we create a circle, make it in the middle. It's important. After we creating the circle, we go here to align it center, align it middle. Now we go to insert, create a rectangle from 0, 0, you see. And here we select both of them and go to fragment. Then cut this and go to insert, shape, another rectangle from 0, 0. And we create it, then select both of them and go to fragment. You see, you can't choose two of them for fragment, one of them at each time and make them fragment. Sorry, let me just create another copy of that and put it right in it. Okay, it's good, I think. You are good. We select these two at first and go to shape format and make them fragment. Then I delete this and select these two and we make them fragment. You see, but we have a problem. This thing is not working as we push. So what is the problem and how we can fix it? You see, the problem is that we need to send it to back, then select both of them and go to shape format and make them fragment. But we again has the problem because of what? Because we delete the real shape last time. So we need to create another rectangle from 0, 0 and then select both of them and fragment. Okay. Now everything is ready. We need to distance them a little. Okay, you need to distance them in the best way possible. For some of you ask how to distance them in the possible way. It's really easy. We create a rectangle by holding shift, and after creating that we send it to back, color it up, and then go here, align center and middle. Then easily we just need to attach it to the rectangle. Okay, it's good. And this thing also good. This thing also good. This thing is also good. Okay, we created the effect. Now we need to select all of them and make them one shape. Go to insert, insert a rectangle and then combine them. You see the picture here has been created. We need to increase it in size. For now, decrease it in size a little. And after decreasing its size, we need the picture. I'm going to copy the picture and paste it here, and we need to send it to back. And after that we need to color this up. I'm going to set shape outline to none, and the color is going to be some dark colors. And then I'm going to format shape and give it some inner shadows. And then I'm going to copy that, and here I increase it in size. And then after increasing in size, I'm going to, why I can't, okay. After increasing in size, I'm going to here, increase it in size. Let me send it to back for now. I'm going to delete this thing and copy the real size shape that I created and paste it here. Okay, now we just need to send the transition to morph and let the magic happen. If you like it, you can find many of these videos in my channel. Until then, have a nice time.